Your Subaru Outback allows you to take on any adventure with confidence, whether traveling along the open road or exploring the rough terrain. With a rugged exterior and attractive, sophisticated interior, your Outback is versatile, comfortable, and designed to keep you safe to go wherever life takes you. When the need for adventure is even greater, the Outback Wilderness is the most capable and versatile, rugged styling and built for the most difficult off-road terrain. The Outback Wilderness takes Subaru capability to new heights. Take on new experiences with genuine Subaru accessories and live life to its fullest. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of your vehicle. They're backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, or an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories by Thule. Join us as we take a closer look at some of the genuine Subaru accessories available to customize your Outback for your lifestyle. Life on the go has no limitations. Help protect your Outback with attractive, color-matched body side molding. This accessory coordinates with the styling of the vehicle and helps guard against unsightly door dings. Stainless steel, custom fit, and color-matched door edge guards help protect your door edges against dings and chips, while seamlessly blending into the door design. Shield the paint finish of your Outback from stones and road grime. Genuine Subaru splash guards undergo a series of durability tests and are engineered to withstand weather and various driving conditions. Protect your paint finish from chips and the undercarriage from rust and corrosion. Genuine Subaru mud flaps minimize water, dirt, and mud spray and help prevent minor road debris from kicking up behind your Outback. This accessory is designed to serve as a protective barrier between the tires and wheel well. Special edition mud flaps designed for Outback Wilderness are also available. For the adventures that lead you on a road less traveled, the engine underguard provides additional protection from gravel and road debris. The steel underguard is painted black to resist corrosion and directly replaces the original undercover. The lightweight aluminum version for turbo models offers additional protection by supplementing the original plastic cover. Specifically designed for the Outback Wilderness, this engine underguard is engineered to complement the stock aluminum and plastic undercover. Genuine Subaru engine underguards maintain easy access to the oil drain plug for regular maintenance. For a complete under-vehicle protection system, use the differential underguard rear, transmission underguard, and fuel tank underguard in conjunction with the engine underguard. With durable steel construction and black corrosion-resistant paint, each of these accessories are ideal for traveling on unpaved roads, adding a level of protection for minor road debris. Roll down the windows to let fresh air in, while helping to keep inclement weather out. Genuine Subaru side window deflectors are extensively evaluated for water intrusion and tested to help reduce wind noise and vibration. Durable door scuff protectors help keep shoe scuffs and other scrapes off your doors when getting in and out of your Outback. The unique texture complements the design of the door panels. Engineered to ensure a precise fit. Custom-fitted, high-wall design all-weather floor liners provide a layer of protection to the vehicle carpet from spills, dirt, snow, sand, mud, and other messes. This genuine Subaru accessory withstands a series of functional and durability evaluations to help ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. Your Subaru Outback is spacious enough to accommodate your gear, but when you need even more space for your cargo, lower the back seats and help keep them protected with the rear seat back protector. Cargo sidewall protectors extend protection to the rear cargo and wheel well trim panel areas. Durable construction and engineered for a precise fit. This accessory is texture matched to complement the functionality and appearance of the rear seat back protector and cargo tray, and provides optimal protection when used together in the cargo area. You can keep your gear organized and secure in the back of your Outback with the genuine Subaru cargo net. The net can be used two ways. Anchor it to the sides of the cargo area to help prevent shifting from front to back, or lay it across the floor to help keep things from rolling around. Wherever your Outback takes you, from wide open territory or the mountain trails, to the lakes, streams, or the slopes, increase your cargo carrying capacity with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories. Subaru engineers work in close collaboration with the Thule Group during the design and development of all our Thule racks and carriers to help ensure they comply with Subaru requirements, offer a precise fit, and increased durability. From the genuine Subaru cargo carrier, extended, and heavy-duty roof cargo basket for additional rooftop storage, and carrier specifically designed to transport your kayak and paddleboard for your adventures on the water, to rooftop carriers for your skis or snowboard. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories allow you to haul your gear safely and securely. A variety of bike carriers manufactured by Thule are available for your Outback for you to choose from. If your choice is to haul your bikes behind you, carry either 2 bikes or 4 with the hitch-mounted bike carrier. If you're transporting mountain or downhill bikes, e-bikes, fat bikes, or bikes with a carbon frame, the hitch platform bike carrier may be your preference. You can securely transport your bikes above with the roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. Exclusively for Outback Wilderness, the Aero Extended Crossbar set by Thule offers an aerodynamic profile to help minimize wind noise. The crossbar set provides a large surface area to mount Thule roof accessories to carry all of your gear for your off-road adventure. For the extra height you need to reach your rooftop gear, the Thule portable step can help. Constructed of heavy-duty steel with rubber bumpers to help prevent wheel scrapes and scuffs, the step conveniently folds and fits into a carrying bag for storage when not in use. When your travels require even more gear, tow it with a genuine Subaru trailer hitch. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch with heavy-duty 2-inch receiver is rated at 3,500 pounds towing capacity, 350 pounds tongue weight for the 2.4-liter Turbo XT and Outback Wilderness models, and 2,700 pounds tow capacity and 270 pounds tongue weight for the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter. Unlike typical aftermarket hitches, the genuine Subaru trailer hitch is crash-tested with the vehicle as a complete system and engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of your Outback. The auto-dimming mirror with compass and home link darkens automatically to protect your eyes from unwanted glare when driving, and also features an 8-point digital compass. This popular accessory integrates 3 backlit home link buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. It can also let you know if your garage door has been left opened or closed if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. Elevate the auto-dimming mirror experience by adding the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light. Upon approaching the vehicle or unlocking your doors with the keyless entry system, LED lights located behind the Subaru logo in each exterior mirror illuminates the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. During nighttime driving, the exterior auto-dimming mirrors will reduce headlight glare by dimming in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror, creating a safer driving experience. Subaru loves pets, and we know you love your furry family members too. Keep them safe and comfortable with genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories. Before you fasten your own seatbelt, buckle up your dog for safety. The pet harness, manufactured by SleepyPod, combines a padded vest, seatbelt-grade straps, and stress-tested buckles that work together to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. The pet harness is crash-tested at child safety seat standards and certified by the Center for Pet Safety. Especially suited for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues. The pet ramp allows for easy vehicle entrance and exit and folds down to store in the cargo area when not in use. Help protect the top surface of the rear bumper when your pets are entering and exiting the vehicle with the rear bumper protector mat. Canine or feline, the pet carrier and mobile pet bed or collapsible pet kennel are ideal for travel and everyday transport. Add protection to your Outback from nail scratches, pet hair, and muddy paws with the padded seat protector, padded cargo liner, console lid protector, or seat cover, rear. Wherever the road takes you and your 4-legged friend, bring your pet's food and water with you in one convenient and portable travel pet bowl. And you can show your love for your furry, scaly, or feather family members with a Pet Lover license plate frame, available in polished stainless steel or matte black. Frames are manufactured from heavy-gauge stainless steel that will not rust or corrode. Genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories are engineered with the same care and attention to quality, safety, and durability that all genuine Subaru accessories are known for. Thank you for coming along with us to see some of the many genuine Subaru accessories available for your Subaru Outback. Wherever life takes you, your Outback will get you there safely and securely. Open up a world of exploration and possibility with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by a 1-year, unlimited mileage warranty. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. The collapsible pet kennel is backed by a 2-year warranty through Thule. Visit the warranty section on the Thule website for full details.